The next two menu items, Schedule and Holidays, allows you to set up your standard work hours and any other work hour groups you might need. Also, if there are holidays when you are closed, you can add those holidays to the system so that the system always knows that no one should be working on those days. Let's do holidays first. Just click Add, fill out the form, we should probably make sure we spell it correctly, and save. Now I have Christmas for this year listed as a holiday in our system. Let's go ahead and put New Year's in there as well. Of course, every year you will need to reset the dates that the holiday falls on. Now we have both Christmas and New Year's on our holiday schedule. Let's go back to Schedule and look at the standard hours schedule for this database. The current standard hours are Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. We can edit those hours. This is a default work hours group, so it's always going to be in the system. Let's say on Mondays, we just work a little bit longer. So I'll edit the Monday hours, and when I click Save, that will save those work hours. I'm going to quickly set this back to the way it was. You have total flexibility with the work hours that you choose and can create as many work hour groups as needed. For instance, if you have a day shift, swing shift, and graveyard shift, you can create all three sets of work hours and create rules using them with the appropriate driver groups that they apply to. Let's add a new set of work hours. I'll call this one maintenance hours, and I'm going to assign it to holiday group 1, and those will be their holidays. My maintenance crews work Monday through Thursday from 5 a.m. to 2 p.m. That allows them time with the vehicles when my drivers aren't driving. Just enter the days and times and save them one by one until we create our full work week. Add the next day, and when done, click Save for the maintenance work hours. And now you can see we have maintenance hours assigned to holiday group ID 1, and these are their standard work times. If you no longer need a work hour group, you can easily remove it. Once you have all of your employee work hour groups set up, you'll be able to use those when you're creating rules like early leave and late start, and the system can identify before and after hours driving. With work hour groups, the system will always know when your employees should be working, when they should be arriving, and when they should be departing for their work day. If your employees are scheduled to take lunch at a specific time daily, you can also set up your scheduled lunch breaks as well.